Hey, what's up, Brendan? Not today. Still not quite there. Not gonna use it live yet. Some more boring Mac stuff today. I'm just gonna cop the copyright strikes. Hey, the Vile Offspring, how's it going? Just going to be picking off from where I kicked off yesterday. Getting the LFO sorted for this machine. Might work on the visualizer side of things if we've got a bit of time. Maths Music, what's up? Yeah, so what I want to do, what do I want to do? Real happy with the progress on the knobs. That's always good. I want to clean all this shit up. So, I'm just thinking about how to tackle this. I'll probably create a new sub-patcher for the LFOs, considering that I'm running 4 separate LFOs. Just means that I only have to change one and they'll all update. So that'll be cool. And yeah, maybe a little bit of design stuff. There's a few things like this random maximum value. That's way too much. What does that go up to? Yeah, 10 seconds is stupid. We'll keep it at 1,000 and we'll keep the max at 1,000. Solved. The patch is called the Drone Liquefier. It's a granular sampler and a reverb with some LFOs and some weird kind of grain manipulation stuff. The main goal is whatever you feed into it, Drone Liquefiers, turns it into a nice ambient drone, and it's really doing a good job in my opinion. I'll get it going shortly. Actually, I'll get it going now. It does tend to crash sometimes when I save it, so we have to tackle that. Let's see if it happens today. That seems to be okay. So, some Mozart. My knobs seem to have done some weird shit. The other thing is, yeah, this buffer timer, sometimes it takes quite a while to get involved. So that's what it does to the audio. This is without. This is with it. Well, it manages to save the project and then it crashes. So it seems to be when it's kind of transferring back to an Ableton Live device. But I admit I get that quite often with patches that I'm working on. especially when they're very unfinished. And there's a lot of errors that are popping up in the Max window that, you know, I haven't really paid any attention to yet. I'm not really at that stage. I'm still at the just get everything kind of working stage, and unless it's crashing, you know, constantly all the time, then I'll just kind of wait until the end. Yeah, it's a super neat plugin. Make it nice and dark. What's up, Aisha? And you can do cool shit like apply the LFO to the offset as well. So this is without reverb. So we're getting some reverb coming through when the mix is on 0, so I need to pay attention to that. Crank the random knob a bit. Alright. We can increase the grains. You can make a lot of them. It takes a moment to think about it when you do such a drastic thing. Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? Pretty happy with it. Anyway, let's kick on. So if you're new to these Max for Live streams, they're not super crazy production streams. It's a lot of me problem solving this kind of stuff here. So it's like a slow play type thing. So with the LFOs, this is an entire LFO unit here. Yeah, so what I'm just going to do is copy this and create a new patcher. Paste that in. Let's make sure the patcher background is nice and dark. Stick with the theme. Very good. Yeah, so I mean, basically this is the GUI. I think I want to change it to... First off, I think I want to change this to a live kind of tab style device. Hey, what's up, Thomas? So let's do that. Live tab. What does LCD do? No, I don't want that. Yeah, so what do we got? Sine, up, down, triangle, square. Pretty simple. So let's just go sine, up, down, triangle, square. That'll do. So in theory I should just be able to connect this straight to that. Yep, we can get rid of this completely. Okay, so that's all good. I'm going to get rid of the visual display of the LFO. It's not really that useful. I am going to need an outlet so that the patcher can output the number. So this is all using kind of audio signals here, and then this is converting it into an actual number that we can use to assign to stuff. What's up, Grant? What's up, D-Man? And everybody else. Welcome along. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and position these correctly. That looks good. Right. Them to be exactly touching each other. And offset. And we'll need this in the presentation. How small can we make this? I guess we could put the off and on button over here. Let's zoom in a bit so we can have a good look. Turn the tunes back on. What's up, Danny? It's kind of looking alright, as long as we can get this off button somewhat aligned. Almost. Whoops. Silva, what's up? I'm doing good. What's up, Z? Looks good. I should probably change the off button. Maybe background color off could be blue. Oh, that's going to be a problem because this. Maybe if we put this to the back. I mean, I'll do all the color scheme stuff later, but just for now, just so we've got some kind of consistency. Now if we go white, blue. Looks okay. Bear with me for 1 second. Hold on a sec. Whoops. To open this in presentation mode. So we should just be able to import that as a patcher file. So bpatcher. Again, hold on. So there we have that. Yeah, that should just hopefully output what we want. Let's just connect it to a number box and check to see if we're getting the values coming out here. Turn it on. Yeah, awesome. So now we can just get rid of this and this. Feed this into here. Should do the trick. Yeah, it's moving it around nice. So I can bring the rate down. We don't have I considered putting kind of beat matched mode in here, you know, like a tempo sync mode, but I don't think it's really needed because the result of this device outputs drone ambient music, which is completely beatless, in a sense. Okay, well let's just add a bunch of these in here. Because yeah, I can just totally get rid of all of this. It's the cool thing about using subpatches, it's just being able to just reference the master one. And this one. Now this is for the offset, so we'll add it to the presentation. Let's have a look and see how it looks. So obviously we're going to have to expand everything out a bit, but that's cool, we can do that. Almost good. Whoops. I'm going to get rid of those panels, do some more designy stuff later with those. And let's start getting a little bit of structure going on here. Good. This needs to go up on. It's cool, so we can change the LFO options here. Alright, let's throw the other one in. This one is for the position. It's a bit hard to see whether that's a line or not, but I'm sure we'll find out soon enough. Make sure that one works. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Next one is duration. These are not aligned correctly. That is okay, that's good, so we're going to stick with that. Okay, next we have the grain duration and the random. One more. Let's get the LFO across for that. Awesome. And then let's align these reverbs up. Just need to make sure these are all the same size or width, which they are. Damp is not. bring these ones down. I find it quite soothing doing this sort of stuff. And we have our grain attack, which I might put down here. I don't know where to put this reset, but we'll figure that out. The pan and the randoms still don't do anything. I gotta fix that up at some stage. Let's check these LFOs. Seems to be going well. And I'll put the reset up here. I feel like these could be a little bit smaller. I'll bring that up to say here, which means we'll need to zoom in again. Let's try that. Right, I need to have a look. Okay. Let's just have a look. Walk down a little bit as well. I don't think I have OCD. I like things to be neat and tidy, but I think most people do. Maybe you do, I don't know. Alright, let's save that. Hope it doesn't crash. Please, please, please. It's the Ableton gods. Okay, so it's a bit of a mess when we don't have our our guides in there, but that's cool. Let's test this all works. for 16 grains. What's up, Eduardo? Thank you very much. Hey, buddy, are you gonna have to tell me how to pronounce your name, dude? Or someone who can read Japanese? I'd love to be able to say your name. So I wonder, it'd be nice to just have like another loop I can listen to. So let's stop this. Let's feed that through it. Let's feed a bunch of stuff through it. See what we can get out of it. Something quite minimal. Peaking. I quite like using my voice before. Let's check that out. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Yo. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Spooky. Jamit. What's up, Jamit? Thanks for the donos, man. Much appreciated. I don't have a recommendation for active monitors. Unfortunately, monitor speakers, real not my area. Lots of headphones in my life. I've got rockets at home, which I just happen to have because a friend was selling them for cheap. Yeah. Cool. Alright, let's get Mozart back. Charlie, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna try and figure out why the mix parameter is still letting through some reverb when it's on 0. So this is it here. Let me load up my old one. Sometimes it's with patches that are quite complicated, sometimes it's just easier for me to load up a version that was working and do an A/B. Lewis, what's up? So this just outputs 0 to 100. The append on. Negative 50 to 10, okay. Should be doing the same thing. Uh-huh. Why is this not working? Oh. There we go. I forgot a space. Simple as that. Very good. Alright, we'll close you down. Let's go ahead and test this. So that's with 0 reverb mix on, so that's kind of working as intended. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Let's bring a little bit of the dry in. So this is a bit of a mess at the moment. We have... Okay, let's bring that down. We have a dry fader, we have a grain fader, and we have a post-verb fader, and we have a mix on the reverb. So that's... yeah, that's not good. So let's tidy that up a bit. So I feel like we could either go down the route of having kind of a mixer area with dry, grain, and reverb, or we could use dry, wet knobs. Don't think we should use dry, wet knobs considering we have more options than one. If there was just one thing, yeah, I think I'll create a little mixer area. Will I? Dry, wet, reverb. So if we did dry, wet, and reverb, I mean the whole mix knob would be gone altogether. So let's give this a try. So I'm going to just delete this, and I'm just going to go load mess 100. So this is constantly on. Remove this from the presentation. And that kind of means we can bring this stuff over here. And we can kind of have a little mixer area, maybe. or something like that. I don't know, does that work? Marlin. Let's check out how that looks in the actual in Ableton Live. Let's check it works. So we can bring grain and reverb down. Try. Very good. Grain. Grain's got to come through the reverb. And vice versa. Okay. We can fix that, no problem. How's everyone doing today? Nice sunny day here in New Zealand. Of course, I'm shut in a room with the curtains shut. So this is the input from the audio. Hey Monono, get in touch with me on Discord, man. Let me know what your thoughts are. I don't do music feedback streams because I find it to be quite a lot of pressure. I'm not that great at critiquing people's music. I get quite involved in it, so I tend to veer away from it. But it sounds like an interesting proposition. Hit me up on Discord when I'm not streaming and I'll have a think about it. So I need to reroute this because at the moment the grain is dependent on the reverb. Just thinking about how to tackle this. Welcome along, Jason. So what I can just do is I'll just create a bunch of what am I doing? 2-to-1s. Oh man, what's the device for mixing a bunch of shit together? I'll just use tildes for now. So we're gonna need 6. And then we'll have 2. This is a bad way to do it, but I can't remember what the objects are that I want at the moment. Okay. So that's a dry signal. So I just kind of noticed, maybe this was unfinished, but I noticed that the reverb that I'm using only has one input. That's probably why I've failed to build the actual stereo part, and I think that's really important. So I think the next stream I'll be focusing on that, which will involve, we've got a left and right coming out of the grain, so we'll just have to modify the verb to be able to be stereo, which is cool. So this needs to go in here. Yes, this needs to go here. Like so. Don't know why we have this, but we can go to that. Alejandro, what's up? Let's go here. Okay, let's give this a try. Save. Let's get some modes that are happening. Let's bring everything down, let's see what happens. So nothing when everything's down. Oh, we're gonna record in first. Nothing. Ah. Very good, crane. And dry. So we can do a mix here. See how we lose the stereo effect? If you're in headphones, you better hear that. Then the reverb does add a stereo effect back, but it's not the original kind of original shape. So this does nothing. Oh no, this does do shit. What? This is a like pan. This is almost center. Oh, maybe it's because I got random on. Oh, okay, this is working. So that's cool. I want to feed something else through this. Give me 1 second. Just trying to find something recognizable. I'll just use some dance. I'll just chuck some dance music in there. Just some random beatport purchases. See what we get. What's going on? Everton? Uh-oh. It's lagging quite a lot. Whoa. What are we gonna get? This is exciting. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Change release to pitch mode. Hey, Lisa.
When I'm in the rave, get dangerous. I ain't trying to stay, get famous. When I'm in the rave, yeah.
Quite easy to overdo those gains, so see, as I shorten the grain density and the duration, I start stacking and amplifying the audio signal. So maybe I need to put a limiter in here at some stage. It's a cool sample. We can turn the audio off and just keep that.
Dim the lights for me, please. The baseline, all I need. Prime time, 1/4 to 3/4 to 4. Still looking for my keys. I'm still looking for my cheese. Wait, better come take me away, cause I ain't trying to stay too famous. When I'm in the rave, get dangerous. When I'm in the rave, get dangerous. Come through with all kinds of flavors. Leave man with all kinds of haters. Cause we've been out here for ages. Need to step back from